The Windows 11 taskbar. We used to split them up into two parts, the taskbar, which was the part that was always on the left. And then we had the system tray, which was the icons to the right. Now in Windows 11, by default, your start menu, or the taskbar, is in the middle. So there's no left and right. And the whole thing is now called the taskbar, and it's split up into several components. You have your start menu. You have your search bar. You have your desktops, where you can set up several different desktops or work areas. You have your widgets. You have your chat. And then you have the shortcuts that you've pinned to the bottom task manager, such as your browsers, file manager, and whatever else you've decided to pin to the taskbar. Some of us have more, some of us have less. And what's on the right side, what we used to call the system tray, that's also now been called by different things, but it's all part of the taskbar. In here, you have your clock and notification. You have your action bar. You also have quick ways to get to things like your speaker, your internet connection, your microphone, and the items that you've decided to pin to the bottom, the programs that start up when the system starts, and those items that you have decided to hide. And if you click on this up arrow, you see the items that are hidden. You right-click on any empty spot on the taskbar, you get to go to the Taskbar Settings. When you open that, here, if you scroll down to where it says Taskbar Corner Overflow, select it, and now you can see all of the items that are residing in this right-hand side of the taskbar. If it says on, they're visible. If they're off, they're the ones that pop up when you click on the overflow or the hidden parts. If I click this, I see here that I have Microsoft Teams and Power Toys. And if you look here, you'll see that Power Toys are off, and so is Microsoft Teams off, which means, yes, they're still running in the background, but they aren't showing up on the right-hand side of the taskbar. You have to hit that up caret in order to actually see them and be able to access them. Little different from what it was in 10 and prior, but everything is still there. Everything can still be accessed. You can still turn items on and off, and you can still hide or show the items on that right side of the taskbar. Anything new, eventually you'll have to learn how to navigate in something new. I'm sure that Microsoft figured this was a better way to handle things. And as you get used to it, it's just as easy as it used to be when you were using Windows 10 or 8, 8.1, or 7. It's just a matter of getting used to the new things that are part of Windows 11. Stay safe, stay secure, and I'll see you again soon. Bye-bye.